has signal coverage throughout northern, central, and southern Spain, which is fantastic. And number 39, I'll definitely buy it again next time. Easy and quick installation, highly recommended. And number 39, I'll definitely buy from this store again next time. I traveled around Europe for 3 weeks on a 30-day, 30 GB plan. I used Google Maps and posted on social media, and ended up with about 4 GB left by the end of the month, which was great. I chose this plan knowing that if I needed more, I could always buy more, but it was just right, and I had no problems with the signal. "4G, 15, 2G. Good and straight active once landed at Netherlands. Code. eSIM. 91~99. Everything is good. Works well. eSIM. SNS 11 GB 12 GB. This eSIM really worked well in the 5 European countries we visited. CP3G 4G. One. eSIM 3. eSIM. Dot. 19. 30. Wi-Fi eSIM.